How do I know if it's recording?
It doesn't talk to you?
Pick up my right here. It's more sideways.
Thing from school? Jim, move.
I'm trying.
With the person with the orange hat on over there.
See exactly what I told her.
See the man with the
What?
orange hat?
The battery's low.
And forward. Of course, she's got so much potential. She hasn't found a guide. Kind of hard to juggle everything. Work, school, social life. Keep counting, put social life on the back burner. Boys just get in the way. They interfere with life.
Boy, 600 miles away.
Joining us on cross country now is number 45, Catherine Henley, riding Note to Self. Unfortunately, Note to Self decided he didn't like fence 1, has had one refusal, but are back underway.
Nice trot. She's having some nice trot work. I'm hoping it's a light of fire in the back of the horse.
Catherine and Note to Self continue on their way, clearing the coop at 3 and the barn at number 4.
Hard to wait till 20 years old. Where's the time gone?
Yeah.
Your baby. Like my baby's 32.
Will and Duffy, meanwhile, have made it over the bench at 14 and are headed to the steeplechase at 15.
Good job.
Out of the start box goes number 50, Corinne Ashton and Ardestra.
Still trying to duck out.
Because that would be elimination. You know, like the other show. Remember that show? That was another horse. That was just
Catherine and Note to Self have cleared the Sunburst at 6, the Ditch at 7, and the Cordwood at 8.
time of gelding. I don't like it.
Corinne and Ardestra have cleared the log at 1 and the log ramp at 2. Catherine and Note to Self clears the water at 10 and the ramp at 11. Corinne and Ardestra have cleared the hogs back at number 5 and is headed toward the Sunburst Ditch and Cordwood.
Last night he was fighting with the we were trying to tell him and I surveyed him a little bit.
I am very pleased. You too. You should be too.
Nice job.
Note to Self have cleared the bank and gate complex at 13.
Good job. High five. All right.
Bigot and Joe Lara have now
Don't let him see us. He might get nervous.
Swishing the trail. Damn, he just stepped over that one.
Boy.
Yes, you're filming. You can hear my comments.
Oh, not white, but yellow. I like this one.
Joining us on cross country now is number 141, Jennifer Tadpole, riding Irish Hills Wild Blackberry.
Woohoo!
Lost his footing back here.
Yeah.
He's going backwards. This ain't nothing.
Elena Mitchell and Buster Brown have now cleared the water obstacle at 2 and on their way around the backside of the course to get to 3. Out on cross country now, we have Stephanie Mills riding Great Belief, wearing Penny 150. She is out on course and has cleared the first obstacle, the log, at number 1. Jordan and Huey have now cleared the water obstacle at number 2 and are headed to the last obstacle, number 3.
My camera didn't do quick.
Elizabeth Schaefer and Southern Storm
ready to throw
have
it in the water.
cleared the last obstacle, the log, and are crossing the finish line.
All right, good job.
Good day. When did they? How did they get the water?
Well,
yeah,
because he
had
was
caught up
getting
to
up on
her.
her. You know?
And I can't pass her either, so you could have passed her. Oh, I could have. Just ask her to give way. Just ask her to give way. Say, Lena, move over. I'm coming through.
The girl ahead of you was screaming from 100 yards back, "Give way, give way!" Coming down the hill to the girl in front of her.
Give Huey a big pat. Good job.
From pen to pen.
Hey everyone, Jordan Abdella here. Just got back from a long day of riding and just wanted to show you a little bit about what the eventing world is all about. This is my horse Huey. We did Tadpole today, as most of you can see, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.